Hello there, welcome back to Pokepack Tuesday. We're all going to be opening up a random pack, and at the end of the video, I'm going to be opening up one of these Pokeballs. Could be a Silver Tempest pack, which I'd be happy with. It could be a Team Up pack, which I'm really hoping to get, or it could be this Warhead, which I would not like to do. So, hoping to get that Team Up pack. All right, Michael, you're up first, buddy. Spin the wheel, open a pack.
Oh.
Shining face!
I almost got Pokecollect.
Which one would you like more?
Pokecollect.
Oh, well, you get Shining Face, which is
Let's
fun.
see it. Shining face.
It's a fun set.
Open.
All right.
Fighting Energy. Tropius. Gym Trainer. Rotom. Coughing. Snom.
Tropius.
Blossom Flower.
You fancy.
I was about to say Crant.
All right, keep going, dude.
Spinarak.
Ooh, the amazing rare. Yveltal.
Cool.
Yay.
Wait,
Oh, it's on beta.
Okay, Lucas, you're up next, bud. What will it be?
Yay.
Crimson
Invasion. You can tell that's what Luke was hoping for.
Dun dun dun.
Bad packs 3 weeks in a row. No, 3 weeks in a row. It was Sun and Moon, Rebel Clash, worst one by far, and now Crimson Invasion.
Well, we have all these packs for variety and fun. If you got something awesome every time, like Crown Zenith or something you really wanted.
That'd be fun.
Okay, that's true. But it's kind of more fun if you get something bad for a few weeks and then you finally get something good like Hidden Fates.
No! And then you don't get a hit?
Correct.
Skidoo?
Skidoo.
Oh. I don't know.
Skidoo.
What's this thing going on here?
Marowak. Wow, so amazing.
All right. All right. I'm excited for whatever pack I open.
Good attitude.
Thank you. Brilliant attitude, I might add.
Brilliant.
What did you get?
I haven't gotten lucky yet, but I will get lucky.
You already have gotten lucky by getting brilliant stars. That's unlucky.
That is unlucky because it was backwards.
Oh.
I'm doing 5 from the back. These cards look sturdy.
Interesting.
Ice Cube, Fire, Gloria, Gabite, Morgrim, Nose Pass, Dedenne, Snorunt, Baltoy, Minchino, and Snorunt again. Reverse hollow. See?
I don't know what's happening over there.
I'm just ignoring it. Ignore and override. Okay, Jamie.
Here we go.
I'm gonna guess Chilling Reign.
I'm gonna guess Astral Radiance.
Oh my gosh, our last Astral Radiance.
Oh my goodness.
I feel like we've gotten that every week for the
Yeah.
past month.
I opened it.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, I saw it.
We're so
know
impressed.
Which direction I'm supposed to open things?
That's bad. What? Mine's a 2. Flat to low.
Steel energy?
I'm gonna steal that energy from you.
Zissou?
Curlia.
Canceling Cologne.
It cancels whatever odors you have.
Coronavirus.
Oh my
Very
word.
good color.
Scyther?
Expensive though.
Growlithe? Or is it Growlithe? Bronzor?
I've heard it both ways.
Rufflet?
Rufflet.
Oh, I missed the L.
Yeah.
Quillfish?
What did you say? I said Coronavirus.
Golduck? He's from Psyduck, right?
Mhm.
That is, yeah, right there. That is almost...
He goes from
It's
just
crazy.
yeah. He becomes awesome in one evolution.
Cleavor.
Okay, Lily. Let's see if you can do that last pack magic. Oh, you almost got Choose Your Own, and instead you got the Clash of Rebels.
No, it's Rebel Trash.
Rebel Trash.
And
What in the world?
That was weird.
Incineroar.
Okay, Lily, keep going. Just ignore whatever's happening.
Do the trick? Are you gonna do the trick?
I saw
What's
what
happening?
the card was in the back. I saw the hit. Where?
Was it a hit?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
And then throw the cards everywhere.
I did
Little
not
Miss
know-
Piggy opens her
I
pack.
didn't know you were half pig,
Wait, Billy Peppa Pig?
apparently.
Sparkle.
Cool. Panther.
Heatmore. What are you looking at?
Mars.
Zatu.
Clefairy. Voltor. Growlithe. Dreepy.
Come on. Last bag magic.
Spyro.
Oh, Ninetales.
Ninetales.
Okay, nice try.
Tails is a cool Pokemon.
All right, guys. I'm gonna open up one of these Pokeballs, and I don't know which Pokeball contains what.
Just don't get Solar Tempest, okay?
I can't control. I don't know where things are.
Okay, what are you gonna go for? What are you feeling here?
Great ball.
That's what I
Okay.
thought.
All right, great ball. What's in there? Stop.
Forehead.
Team up! Finally,
No.
team up. No warhead for me. Oh yes, I've been waiting to open this. I've been waiting so long.
I think this one was a warhead.
Yeah, Pokeball Warhead.
Come on.
Team up. It's still Sun and Moon, so it should be 4 from the back.
The reason this set is so rare is because they cut the printing short.
Warheads is so sour that makes me feel like I'm gonna throw up.
All right, we got Electric Energy, Unidentified Fossil, Rapidash, Evelyn, Helioptile, Meowth, Nidoran, Male, Larvitar.
That's cool art.
Yeah, our nursery used to look like that kind of.
See something. I don't know.
Psyduck, Psy,
Never mind.
Tentacruel. Oh, Ferrothorn, not hollow. I've been waiting so long
For a Ferrothorn.
for a Ferrothorn. I'm gonna treasure you. I'm gonna put you under my pillow, and we're just gonna be best friends. And I'm about to sneeze. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Nah.